All right, so anyway, a lot of people are having problems opening the back of their Roku TV remote. And it's very difficult. I mean, it's really hard to open. And the reason it's hard to open is there's a latch here, and then there's these weird side latches. So once you've moved it down, you've got to pull up on the back. And it's almost impossible to do it with your hands. You kind of need a tool. Now, I work a lot on my iPhones and computers, so I have these special tools that I purchase, and they're really cheap. You can get them on Amazon for like, $5 or something. And I highly recommend getting them. Here's my 2 Amazon batteries I'm getting ready to put in. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this side, and you can see how sharp that edge is. And I also brought this just in case, because this one's sharp too. But I think we're going to be able to just use this tool right here, and you'll have this with every iPhone kit. So I'm going to push it in like this, and then I'm going to twist it. And then to get it off, I'm going to put one finger here and one finger at the back, my thumb, and just lift it. And it just comes right off. And the reason is that, see this little channel here? On the side of this, you're going to see this little catch. So when you put it back on, it goes like this. And if you pop it like this and you try to pull it from the front, sometimes it catches on there. So you've got to lift it from the back. Just remember that. Here it is, nice and tight. Push your tool in, twist it. Grab it, put your forefinger here, your thumb in the back, and just lift it. Bam, you're done. Now to get the batteries out, sometimes they stick. You just got to pop them. Use the tool to do it. Get that one out of there. Make sure you don't mix them up because they look just like the good batteries sometimes. All right, so that's out of there. All right, so these are good ones here. And if you look, you've got the positive end on this one and the negative. You can see this one's got a little corrosion already, It's getting a little bit of corrosion. Now you can also, if you can't figure out how to use this thing, you can always download their app onto your phone. But anyway, wherever the springs are, usually you got to put your negative side. So you want to push that in there, push your positive side down, make sure it's in. Then you're going to do the opposite on this side. Bam. And then to get it back on, all we do is get those things in the channel, right? On the side. First, we get it in there. Just kind of set it in there. Now when we push it forward, it's going to lock it. Bam, done. And that's it. That's how you do it. So the tool you need is this one right here, and you can buy it on Amazon, or you might even be able to buy it at the Apple Store, or any place that they do any kind of technology work where you're working on computers. They'll have these little tools. And so if you're having a problem with your Roku TV, this is how you fix it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with technology and anything, man. We'll do anything, whatever. Peace out.